Good morning, gardeners. Welcome to my little backyard over here. I just wanted to let you guys know about my day yesterday. I spent a lot of time driving in my truck. I, I, I was getting impatient, to be honest. I wanted my plants. I wanted my all my potted plants from the backyard. I wanted to bring them here to the garden, and kind of regretting it, honestly. My calla lilies did not do well, and I kind of tore them up pretty good. They had 55-mile-an-hour winds in the back of the truck, and pretty trashed, as you can see behind me. This is one of them. So here's the picture of how my truck looked when I left. As you can see, that purple calla lily just sticks way above the cab, and it's going to take all the wind. And those other ones are almost to the point where they're at the cab's top, so they're going to take all the wind. And then here they are. Yeah, this is the purple calla lily, and that's one of my favorite plants, and it just got trashed. I'm going to have to cut it all the way back. You normally have to do this with calla lilies every year anyway, so I guess it's not that big a loss, but I just hate looking at it like this. It's so sad. And then, a lot of the smaller ones did just fine. Like the flowers, all the flowers are there. And then they got a really nice rain this morning, and I gave them a good dose of water yesterday when I brought them home. But they are all doing pretty good, except for the calla lilies. Anything that was tall in the truck just got torn apart. Um, this thing, yeah, this little palm tree got pretty torn apart. Um, if we go over here, see my other calla lily. Like, that's not as bad as the purple one, but you can see like it just tore apart the top leaves. And there's another one. Kept its flowers, but yeah, those leaves are just torn up. Whew. All right, well, you can see this calla lily is pretty trashed as well. And yeah, I'm gonna have to just cut them back and hope for the best next year. They'll be all right. I know they will. They always come back. Yeah, these guys did okay, I guess. So as you can see, we got a little bit of recovery to do on those potted plants, but I think they'll be just fine. We'll cut back those calla lilies, and the rest of them, I don't know, they survive pretty well. So that's basically the gist of it. We're gonna cut back all those calla lilies, and we'll see what they look like when they grow back up. And till then, keep watching. Let's learn together.